Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be talking about a platform that is student friendly and a smartphone friendly. So that means pwede po mag-apply ang mga estudyante dito at gamit ang inyong cellphone lang po while doing this job. And this platform doesn't need a resume to apply. So ano nga ba itong platform na to? So this is called Upfiles.com. So Upfiles.com is a file sharing platform that allows users to make money by sharing files. Upfiles is totally free, so you won't have nothing to pay. So upon signing up, you will get a 15 GB of free storage, so you just upload photos, design, videos, PDFs, and any other files and earn weekly. So they pay through PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon gift card, AirTM, and Payer every Wednesday. And for the requirements for this job, you must have an active PayPal account because the available payout method for Philippines is through PayPal. So you will also need either your smartphone, laptop, tablet for uploading photos. So it is applicable for smartphone and tablet since you can open it in your web browser, and you can also sign up even through your phone alone. So you will also need a good internet access, of course, but you can also use even mobile data as long as the signal is strong. So all is good. So how to sign up on this platform? So how can we sign up here in Upfile.com? So if you guys go into the website, or I'll just put the link on the description box below, so you could just click the three lines on the right corner and then you click sign up or register. So in here you will see username, so you will create your account or register, put your email address, make sure that your email address is active, and make a password, then confirm password, and then you just click the I am not a robot, and then you click submit. So this is how you gonna sign up. So after you sign up, you can immediately or upload files right away. So you can start the job right away. And then the question is, how much can you earn in this platform? So this platform have different pay rate for every country. So in here guys, earnings per 1,000 downloads. So example, United Kingdom, United States, and France, they pay $4. So for Canada, Australia, they pay $3.50 US. And for Germany and United Arab Emirates, they pay $3. For Saudi Arabia, they pay $2. So in Egypt, they pay $1. And all other countries, they pay $1.20. So all other countries, I think that the Philippines belongs to that. So that's how much we can earn in this platform. And also guys, make sure that the files that you are sharing can be helpful to others, and at the same time, you are earning as well. So diba, napakasimple lang po ang trabaho. So this is the payment proof. You can also scroll and explore the platform so you can see the proof of payment in here. This is the latest proof of payment that you can see, the one that I am showing in my dashboard right now. So for you to know guys, this is only a source of passive income. You can even spare 1 hour a day only by just uploading pictures. And of course, more uploads, so more chances of earning. So this is only good for those students or those moms who stayed at home and who wants extra income. But if you want to have a full-time job, work from home, you may check out my other videos. So there is a lot of legit platform I was sharing in there. So please feel free to scroll. So I think that's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye for now and good luck.